Join me as I dive into the wild world of physics and challenge myself to imagine what time machines would really look like. Time machines have long been a staple of science fiction, captivating our imagination and inspiring countless stories, movies, and books. But what if I told you that the concept of time travel isn't just limited to the realm of fantasy? In physics, time machines are a topic of serious discussion and debate. When we think about time travel, we often imagine a sleek, futuristic device that can transport us through the ages. But the truth is, time travel, if it's possible at all, is a mind-bendingly complex concept that challenges our very understanding of space and time. According to physicists, time travel would require an enormous amount of energy, far beyond what our current technology can provide. It would also necessitate a vast understanding of exotic matter, negative energy, and the manipulation of space-time itself. One of the biggest hurdles in understanding time travel is the concept of causality, the idea that cause and effect are linked in a linear fashion. If we were to travel back in time, we'd risk disrupting the timeline, causing unintended consequences that could have far-reaching effects on the fabric of reality. Additionally, the laws of physics as we know them would need to be rewritten to accommodate the stresses and distortions that come with time travel. In order for time travel to be possible, we'd need to find a way to warp space-time in such a way that allows for closed time-like curves, loops in space-time that would enable us to return to a point in the past. However, the energy requirements for such a feat are so enormous that they're almost unimaginable. It's a challenge that has led many physicists to question whether time travel is truly possible, or if it's just a fascinating thought experiment. Wormholes, tunnels through space-time that could potentially connect two distant points in space and time, are another theoretical concept that has garnered significant attention in the scientific community. However, the technology required to create and stabilize a wormhole is far beyond our current understanding, and the risks associated with traversing one are still largely unknown. Time dilation, a phenomenon observed in high-speed particles and astronauts, is another area of research that has shed light on the nature of time travel. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is relative, and its passage can be affected by gravity and motion. This has led some scientists to propose the idea of time machines that could use gravitational fields or high-speed travel to slow down time. As we delve deeper into the world of theoretical physics, we begin to realize that time machines, if they exist at all, would likely be unrecognizable to our modern sensibilities. They wouldn't be sleek, shiny devices with flashing lights and buttons. Instead, they might be vast, complex structures that manipulate space-time in ways we can barely comprehend. In fact, some theories suggest that time machines could be more like energy fields or gravitational waves than physical devices. One of the most surprising conclusions we can draw from our exploration of time machines is that they might not be machines at all, at least not in the classical sense. They could be more like doorways, portals, or even states of consciousness that allow us to transcend the boundaries of time. It's an idea that challenges our very understanding of reality and forces us to rethink our assumptions about the nature of space and time. So, what have we learned about time machines from our journey into the world of physics? We've seen that they're not just fantastical devices, but rather a serious area of research and debate in the scientific community. We've explored the challenges and complexities of time travel, from causality to wormholes, and we've discovered that the reality of time machines might be far more surprising and unexpected than we ever could have imagined. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of physics. If you want to explore more mind-bending concepts and ideas, be sure to check out our next video on the weird and wonderful world of quantum mechanics. And don't forget to share your thoughts and theories about time machines in the comments below.